Wetlands and waterways are a key feature of the landscape of South East Queensland. There are over 21,000 kilometres of catchment area with creeks and rivers flowing into Moreton Bay. The largest of these creeks and rivers is the Brisbane River. Moreton Bay is a relatively shallow body of water. It is separated from the ocean by sand islands with limited water flow through relatively narrow passages. Therefore, the bay behaves like a semi-enclosed lagoon, accumulating sediment, nutrients and pollutants received from the catchments which drain into it. South East Queensland has one of the fastest growing populations in Australia. Over the next 20 years, the population is expected to grow from 2.8 million in mid-2006 to over 4.4 million in 2031. This rapid population growth will result in increasing demands for potable water, increased recreational pressure on natural areas, and greater demand for roads, housing and shopping centres. While the waterways of South East Queensland are largely in fair to good condition, in some areas there are significant signs of stress. Scientists predict that our waterways will significantly deteriorate over the next 20 years unless we invest in their protection. The millions of tonnes of mud that entered Moreton Bay during the January 2011 flood have now settled on the bottom of the bay. This mud layer has had a negative impact on the plants and animals that live on the bay floor. The source of this mud is the catchment area, including inland creeks, rivers and drains. If we are to manage the impacts of stormwater and mud on the bay, then we all have an important part to play in keeping our waterways clean and healthy.